Okay, so here we are. Uh, basically I have a problem. I have to I have to reverse a string, and I've been working on it for 30 minutes, and I've gotten pretty far. But the problem is, I don't know what I'm doing wrong at the moment. Before that, I was able to figure this out, but now I thought that my thought process would be interesting for people to listen to, especially for beginners, maybe. I don't know. But I decided to record my thought process so I can understand what I'm doing better. So now I have a function, reverse string, that is taking one parameter, which is a string. Then I split that string here and assign it to const characters. Basically, if a string is hello, it will become something like uh, an array of H E L L O, right? Then I assign to the characters the length of this array to the character's length. So then this will be 5. And then a string to return is basically blank. And then this function will run a for loop. I was trying to use the for each loop, but I got confused on it. Usually for each is easier for me to use, but in this case, for some reason, I decided to use a for loop, and it's more comfortable for me. Anyways, here, I assign I to 0, and while I is less than the length of this character's array, the I will increment by 1. Then we go inside. I assign the characters to replace. So basically I'm taking the first character, which is H, and assign it to character to replace. Then I take the character to replace with, and let's see, I'll just say H, and then the character to replace with is assigned to the so it's assigned to the character's array value, and the value is the length of the array minus 1, because the length is 5, but as you know, the array values increment from 0. So this would be 0, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this basically means 4 in this case at the moment. This would be O. And this would be 4. What? 4. Oh, okay. Now, a character to replace. So H now equals O. So H is equal to O. Then I subtract. Okay. Wait, I think I found the wait, no. That's why this has to be like this, and this should fix it. Basically, what I was doing, I think, I hope, what I was doing was I was in character's length, so this minus 1. Would that even make Was I even reverse it? Okay. Let's go with my logic at the moment. I was taking the character's length, so this variable, and I was subtracting one, so it would make it 4. It would make it 4. Then string to return basically adds the character to replace it right here, which is O. And I just realized instead of using the variable here, I'm using the actual character's length, which is a problem. And it's recording the video actually helped. I hope so. Let's see what this returns. And by the way, I'm using the Odin project over here. See, I'm a beginner, as you can see. I don't know what else to say. I'll just check whatever this gives me. Hello. Oh, I forgot to remove this. Doesn't matter. What is this equal to? Hello. Perfect. My God, I've been doing this for 40 minutes, and by recording the video, I just realized that instead of using the variable here, I'll be using the actual character's length. Oh my God. I'll record the videos from now on, because this is amazing. I wish I was doing that. Insane. Yeah, that's what I needed. Perfect. There's probably a better way to implement this, but I'm a beginner. And, yeah, got nothing else to say. Now I have to, the Odin project is telling me that I have to run this through Jasmine, which is a, is it a framework, or is it, what is it, library? I think it's a framework. Nope. Jasmine. Huh? No way. Oh, it's in the previous tutorial. Okay. Jasmine GS is a testing framework. Yeah, it's a framework. And now basically I have to check how my function runs through the framework. Jasmine. Let's just clear this first. Clear. What's in the Jasmine? Oh, I forgot how to do it. I just did it like I was doing it before. Not this one. Not this one. Yeah, I've gotten through 2 exercises, I think. Yeah, this is the 3rd one. I don't know why it's 0, 3. Oh, yeah. Okay, I've gotten through 2. This is the 3rd one. Dude, I forgot how to check if it's right. I have to go over here, and then it's here. Jasmine just run the file, I think, right? I think so. Okay, let's try. Jasmine reverse string. That's correct. Yes. Yeah, it worked. Okay, perfect. Now I just gotta disable this. Remove the X so the test runs. And what is it checking for? There's multiple words. Oh. Well, this I think it will work. It should work. No. Reverse string .spec.gs. Okay. Did I fail? Did it fail? I don't know. Nothing says fail. Okay, so that's good. Now I have to do this, which is this. There's no way this fails, right? Numbers should not change anything or punctuation in my function. Yeah, there's no way. Reverse string. That's spec.gs. Finally, all I had to do is record a video. Perfect. Now I will move on to the next testing exercise, and I'll see you done.